Hey guys, it's your boy Kason with Jeremy T, and welcome to this FIFA 15 Team of the Season pack opening. I have never done one of these before, but we're doing one now, so let's get to it. I've got 2,200 FIFA points in my FIFA bank right now. And now, let's do this. So yeah, if you want to check out G-Coin, please check out FIFA Frenzy, they have special accounts. So yeah, let's just do this. First pack! My first... And it's shit! What a surprise! And we're just going to score the whole pack. It's ridiculous. Oh, it's not going to be a crap pack opening. Ridiculous. Okay, next pack. Come on. Ooh, Tevez! Hang on, I think I got him already. Yeah, I got him already. Shoot! I can go to transfer list. Have that. No, that's about it. Quick service. This is 15k packs. I require a good player, EA. Come on! BPL team of the season, come on! He was a flipping team of the season! EA, you troll me all the time. This is ridiculous. Market. You can go to the market. This is ridiculous. EA, give me someone good for God's sake! Some of us need to have some good luck here today. It's half term, come on! We get Doumbia. I already got him. Oh my god! Why am I so unlucky? This is ridiculous. I'll take the chemistry styles. But yeah, that's about it. Quick service. Right, last 15k pack, then I'm just going to open 150k packs. And I'm not going to skip this one now, I don't know what I'm skipping. Howard! I don't want him! Transfer market. So if there's any good at the back, nope. Quick service. Open one more 15k pack. Come on! Give me a team of the season for fuck's sake! I'm not looking. Until I get absolutely no one. Oh my god, it's like I won't be getting a team of the season for looks like it. Right, I'm just gonna open one more 15k pack. I'm just gonna open 100. Not gonna, please EA! Oh my god, seriously, this is ridiculous. Wow, 3 rare gold pack, I'm really surprised. Not! Let's open that 3 gold pack. It's gonna be nothing. God's sake, EA, why do you give us bad packs? It's ridiculous. And you give me flipping Michael Carrick. Oh, that silver's not bad. How much does he sell for? Nothing. We can go to the transfer list. Quick sell the rest. Right, last pack. Sorry guys about this pack opening. It's been absolutely crap. Oh my god. EA, you ruining us. You're ruining our lives. Oh. So yeah guys, that has been the pack opening. I'm sorry there hasn't been much team of the seasons. I've just been really unlucky with my pack luck lately. It's just been ridiculous. So yeah, it's been your boy Kason with Jeremy T. I'll see you next time and see ya.